Tom stands on the sidewalk in front of the pharmacy. He holds a small piece of paper from his sister. She has a very bad cold and needs some medicine. The list includes cough syrup and some herbal tea today. Tom wants to find the best remedies for her health. He looks at the green cross shining above the door. The morning air is cool and a bit damp today. He wears his favorite blue t-shirt and comfortable blue jeans. His sister's health is very important to him right today. Tom takes a deep breath and prepares to go inside. He hopes the pharmacy has everything on her small list. A friendly dog sits near the entrance of a shop. Tom pats the dog and enters the warm, bright building. The interior is very clean and smells like fresh eucalyptus. He sees many rows of white shelves with different bottles. There are sections for vitamins, skincare, and first aid. Tom walks slowly toward the tall glass service counter today. He sees a kind, elderly man working behind the desk. The pharmacist wears a very white and very neat coat. Tom feels relieved to see such a professional-looking person. He checks the list one more time before he speaks. The pharmacy is quiet and feels very safe and peaceful. He waits for a moment as the pharmacist finishes work. A bell rings softly as another customer leaves the store. Tom steps forward to start his very important shopping task. He wants to be very accurate with the medicine names. The light reflects off the polished floor of the pharmacy. He is ready to ask for some expert medical advice. Helping others always makes Tom feel very happy and proud. The mission to help his sister begins with a smile. "Hello, I'm looking for some medicine for my sister." Tom places the handwritten note on the glass counter today. Mr. Bloom puts on his spectacles to read the list. "I see she has a dry cough and a fever. How long has she been feeling this way, young man?" Tom explains that she started sneezing only yesterday evening today. Her throat is very sore and she feels quite tired. Mr. Bloom nods and looks through the many shelves nearby. "We have a very effective syrup for a dry cough. It is made from natural honey and some mountain herbs." Tom asks if the syrup has any sleepy side effects. This specific brand is perfect for use during the day. Mr. Bloom brings a small blue bottle to the counter. He explains the correct dosage for an adult person today. She should take 10 milliliters 3 times every single day. Tom writes the instructions carefully on the back of note. It is vital to follow the rules for all medicine. "Do you have any tablets to reduce a high fever?" Mr. Bloom points to a box with a red stripe. "These are very strong, but gentle on the sensitive stomach." Tom appreciates the detailed information from the wise pharmacist today. He feels much more confident about the choices he makes. The pharmacist also suggests some saline spray for the nose. It helps to breathe much better during the cold night. Tom adds the spray to his growing pile of items. He is glad he came to this specific local pharmacy. Knowledgeable staff makes a very big difference for all customers. Mr. Bloom moves quickly and efficiently behind the glass desk. Tom watches him and feels a sense of great trust. The list of items is almost complete for his sister. We should also consider some vitamins to boost her immunity. Mr. Bloom shows Tom a bright orange bottle of vitamin C. These tablets are effervescent and taste like fresh, sweet oranges. They provide a lot of energy during a long illness. Tom thinks his sister will really like the fruity taste. He remembers that she loves everything with an orange flavor. Is it safe to take these vitamins with the syrup? Yes, they work very well together to fight the cold. Mr. Bloom also mentions the importance of drinking much water. Herbal tea with lemon is also a very good idea. Tom finds a box of chamomile tea on a shelf. Chamomile helps the body relax and sleep much more soundly. He feels like he is learning a lot about health. The pharmacist is very patient with all of Tom's questions. I want her to get well as quickly as possible. Your sister is lucky to have such a caring brother. Tom smiles, feeling a little bit shy about the praise. He picks up a small packet of paper tissues too. One can never have enough tissues during a bad cold. Mr. Bloom laughs softly and agrees with Tom's practical choice. The counter is now full of helpful and healthy products. Tom checks his wallet to see if he has enough. The prices are reasonable and he has plenty of money. He feels a sense of satisfaction with his smart purchases. Vitamin C is a great addition to the medicine bag. He can almost imagine his sister feeling much better already. The sun shines through the pharmacy window onto the bottles. Mr. Bloom starts to scan each item for the bill. The process is very smooth and very fast today indeed. Tom is ready to pay for all the healthy items.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
Mr. Bloom tallies the total cost on the cash register. The machine makes a series of quick, clicking electronic sounds. Your total comes to $35 for everything today, sir. Tom takes out his blue wallet from his jeans pocket. He hands a pharmacist 2 crisp $20 bills very carefully. Mr. Bloom provides $5 in change and a receipt. Tom places the change back into his small blue wallet. He puts the receipt safely inside his folder for later. Mr. Bloom begins to pack the items into a bag. He uses a small and very sturdy brown paper bag. The cough syrup is placed to the very bottom first. Then he adds the vitamins and the box of tea. The paper tissues go on the very top of the bag. Please tell your sister to stay warm and rest well. I will give her your kind words, Mr. Bloom, Tom. Tom takes the bag and feels its light, solid weight. He thanks the pharmacist for all his very helpful advice. It was a pleasure to help you today, young man. Tom turns around and walks toward the pharmacy exit door. He feels a great sense of accomplishment in his heart. The mission was successful and he has everything he needs. He walks past the shelves of colorful shampoos and soaps. The pharmacy is still quiet and very professional and clean. Tom pushes the heavy glass door and steps outside again. The fresh air feels wonderful after being inside for long. He sees the green cross still glowing in the sunlight. The street is busier now with many people and cars. Tom walks quickly toward his sister's small, cozy apartment nearby. He is happy to bring her some relief and care. A good pharmacist is a very important part of city. Tom arrives at his sister's door and knocks softly. He hears a small sneeze from inside the quiet room. He enters and sees her resting on the gray sofa. I have brought everything you need to feel better today. He places the brown paper bag on the kitchen table. His sister looks up with tired but very grateful eyes. Thank you so much for going to the pharmacy, Tom. Tom starts to take the items out of the bag. He explains the instructions from Mr. Bloom very clearly today. Take this syrup 3 times a day for your cough. These orange vitamins will give you much needed extra energy. He goes to the kitchen to boil some fresh water. The smell of chamomile tea soon fills the small apartment. Tom brings her a warm cup with a little honey. This tea will help you sleep very well tonight, sister. She takes a sip and feels the warmth in throat. It tastes very good and very soothing, she says softly. Tom sits in a chair near the sofa to talk. He tells her about the kind pharmacist with the spectacles. He was very helpful and knew exactly what you needed. His sister smiles and pulls the warm blanket up higher. Having a brother like you is the best medicine ever. Tom feels a warm glow of happiness in his chest. He checks her temperature with a small digital white thermometer. It is a little high, but the tablets will help. He stays with her for an hour to make sure. The room is peaceful and the tea is almost finished. Tom feels proud of his successful trip to the pharmacy. Caring for family is the most natural thing for him. The healing process has finally begun for his dear sister. A few days pass and the sun shines brightly. Tom's sister feels much better and has no more cough. She is back at work and has her energy again. The orange vitamins really made a very big difference today. Tom visits her again to see her healthy, bright smile. I'm so glad the medicine worked so very well. The pharmacist really knew his business and his products too. Tom walks past the pharmacy on his way to park. He sees Mr. Bloom through the large glass window today. The wise man is helping another person with a list. Tom gives him a small wave from the busy street. Mr. Bloom notices him and nods with a kind smile. The green cross is a symbol of help for everyone. Tom feels a deep connection to his local neighborhood community. He knows where to go if he ever feels unwell. Health is a treasure that we must protect every day. He continues his walk with a light and happy step. The sky is blue and there are no gray clouds. His blue t-shirt is bright in the warm afternoon sun. Life is good when everyone is healthy and very happy. He thinks about the importance of good professional medical advice. Never be afraid to ask questions about your own health. Tom feels like a much wiser person after this experience. He reaches the park and sees children playing on grass. The world is full of life and very beautiful colors. He sits on a bench and enjoys the fresh air. The brown paper bag is gone, but the memory stays. Kindness and medicine are a very powerful combination for all. Tom is ready for new adventures in his wonderful city. His heart is full of peace and very much joy.